everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. As you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be doing my back to school supplies haul for the 2018-2019 school year. And if you've missed any of my previous back to school supplies hauls, I will have them all linked in a playlist listed down below for you guys. And as always, I will have all the products mentioned in this video listed down below for you guys, so you guys can go and purchase them if you would like. So without further ado, let's get started. The first binder I got is just a pink Staples Better binder, and it is a 1.5 inch one, and this is what I'm using for my pharmacology class. And you will notice that I color code my classes. So pharmacology for the fall will be pink, and I have already gone ahead and done most of the notes and stuff just so I can be ahead on it. And these are by far the best binders you can get. I also have a matching notebook. It is just one of these Staples one subject notebooks, and it is college ruled, and again it is pink for pharmacology. I love these notebooks. I think they are the best. I've been using them since high school and really do not like any other notebook. And they have the nice plastic cover so that they won't rip on you. And then I have a Staples Better binder. This one is obviously light blue and it's only a 1 inch, and this is for my medical office procedures class. And again, on the inside I do have a blue notebook, I have some paper, and then I also have a black 2-pocket Staples folder. And then my last binder is a green Staples Better binder, and it's again a 1 inch one, and this is for my advanced financial literacy class. And in here I just have a black notebook because they didn't have green, some paper, and then some dividers. And my dividers are just Avery numbered dividers. There's 1 through 8 because this class is only an 8-week class. And then for textbooks, I only need 2 this semester, which is really nice. First up, we have my pharmacology book. This is just a Pharmacology Essentials for Allied Health, and it is part of the Paradigm curriculum. And then the last textbook I need is my medical assisting one, which I've already had, and this one is huge. And this is just Comprehensive Medical Assisting, Administrative and Clinical Competencies, and this is the Wilberta Q. Lind 6th edition one, and this is part of the Cengage curriculum. And as you guys can see, I've already gone through and marked readings and lab work and stuff. Now moving on to all of the non-subject specific supplies I got. I have just been keeping them in this bucket right here, and I figured I'll just go through and show you guys everything. So right on top, the first thing we have is just a notebook. This is not for a designated class. This is just like my everything notebook, and this is from Erin Condren, and I actually have a $10 off coupon for you guys in the description box down below. Be sure to use it because on your first order you can save $10, which is really nice. And I absolutely love Erin Condren, and they have a ton of different things. They have planners, school supplies, notebooks, and everything can be like personalized, and everything's just super cute. This time I decided not to personalize it. I just got one of their generic ones, and it just says be brave, and it's a purple, pink, and orange watercolor design. And this is one of their 8.5 by 11 spiral bound college ruled notebooks. This is just what it looks like on the inside, and then it just has paper, and then the back is just the watercolor print. I absolutely love Erin Condren. I've been using them for probably 4 to 5 years now, and I've never been let down by anything they've come out with. A few electronic accessories I got were a new iPad mini case. Walmart was having a huge sale a few months ago where their OtterBox Defender cases for the iPad mini were only $15. Yes, you heard that right, $15. So of course I decided to get one because I have been looking to get an OtterBox for my iPad for the longest time, but they are like $50, and I really just wasn't ready to spend that money. But since they had it for $15, I decided to get it. Now it isn't a cute color or anything, it is just black, and this is just what it looks like on the iPad. I really like that it has this extra protectant over the screen, and then you can also take it off and use it as a stand, which is really convenient. It just has this little flippy thingy, and you can have it either laying down a bit, or you could have it standing right up, and you can still use the fingerprinting, which is nice. And I also got one of those credit card holders that goes on your phone. They were on sale at Staples for $1, so I got one, and this one is just pink. I've never had one before, but everyone seems to use them, and I figured it'll be nice to put my debit card and my school ID in so I don't have to carry around a wallet. I'm using one of the 5-star academic planners. I used one of these last year and I absolutely loved it. I filled the whole thing up, and what's really nice is that it does go for the whole academic year. So it goes from August to July, which is nice, and it just has this type of layout. I absolutely love it, and that is why I decided to go with this for a second year in a row. Now moving on to the rest of the supplies that are in here, they're all pretty random. I got a bunch of different sets of pens. I got 3 of these Pentel Quick Drying Energel X Liquid Gel pens. I got the pink one, the blue one, and the purple one. And then I got this pack of Papermate Inkjoy pens. I've used these pens since high school, and I really like them. They write nicely for me. I got some glue because you never know when you're going to need glue. I got these Elmer's washable pens, and it comes with 3 of them. And then I got the classic Elmer's purple glue. I got some mechanical pencils. These are just the Papermate number 2 pencils. I grabbed 2 folders because they were on sale for 50 cents at Staples. They are navy blue, white, and rose gold, which if you know me, you know I love those colors. And they are by the brand Studio C, and they're the nice plastic ones. And what I really liked about these is that they have the extra flappy in the top of them so that papers actually stay in. So I got this one which just has flowers on it, and this one that just has hexagons on it. The few things that I got from Target are all right here. I got another one of the 5-star stand and store pencil cases. I got one of these that was light pink way back when I was in middle school, and I've been using it since then, and I used it this past semester and really liked it. But I figured it was definitely time to upgrade, so I got a new one. This one seems a little bit sturdier, and what I like is that you can set it in the bottom of your bag and it'll actually stand up. And I also have a bunch of loose stuff in it from previous years that I never used, and I have my calculator. This is just a TI 30X2S, and I used to have a light pink one, but I just got a new one, and this one is like a raspberry color, and I need this for my financial literacy class, and it fits right in here, which is nice. And I also have one of the Papermate Clear Point mechanical pencils. I absolutely love these for pencils, and I had one left over and I haven't used it, so I figured I'd throw it in here. I got 2 packs of my favorite whiteout. If you guys have been here for a while, you know that I love these whiteout minis with the twist cap, and they were on sale at Target for $1.50 each, so I got the last 2 that were there. I always have a really hard time finding these. Last year I couldn't find them at all, which really sucked, but at Target I was able to find them, and they had 2 packs left, so I got them. And lastly, from Target I got some highlighters. This is the UB 10 pack of mini highlighters, and I absolutely love it. I highlight everything and I color code everything, and so I saw these and figured they were perfect. And I also do like that they are mini because they will all fit in my pencil case. The last few random things I got were some neon colored index cards from Walmart, a pack of pink square post-it notes. If you guys can't tell, I do like the color pink. I got a mini stapler that's on a keychain because half the time classrooms don't have staplers and professors freak out if you don't staple your work. So I do have this, and it's really nice because you can put staples in the bottom. I got some more post-it notes. These are the post-it tabs. They are durable, writable, and repositionable, and there is just pink, green, orange, and yellow, and I like to make my own kind of dividers with these. And the last things I have for back to school are just some monogram items. I got a bunch of these just stickers to do my monogram with, and they were 89 cents on sale at Michael's. And I also got these to do circle monograms on things, and these were 77 cents marked down from $5 at Michael's, which is nice. So those are all the school supplies I have for the back to school season. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button to see new videos from me every week and to become part of the Allie Pack Squad. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!